IKANO Flex. FlexRoom is a revolutionary product that allows you to easily create an additional room in your home with the push of a button. Using a flexible wall, you can transform your living space into a home office, a guest bedroom, or even a cozy sleeping alcove. The inside of the FlexRoom features bedside cabinets and ample storage space. When you're finished using the extra room, simply push the wall back to revert to your original living area. Space-saving solutions. When you live in a small space, you need to get creative to make the most of every square inch of space you have. When Melbourne-based architect Nicholas Agius set out to design a new kitchen for his small 24 square meters flat, he wanted to create something that complemented the original design of his Art Deco home. The result is a seamless, contemporary, sleek hideaway kitchen with cabinetry and a bench that unfolds and opens up, so everything has its place. Modbit Cryno. The square tabletop, divided into two equal parts, can be extended by firmly placing both your palms upon it and sliding them outward, opening up the inbuilt storage compartment. You may store books, newspapers, magazines, and other daily need items. Beneath the table rest twin planks that cover the empty space above, expanding the surface area of the table 2 times as when the table is packed, making it look like a grand center table. Castellón Bunk Bed. Horizontal folding bunk beds are the perfect solution for narrow youth bedrooms. These beds are designed to fold horizontally, which allows them to fit in spaces that would otherwise be too small for a traditional bunk bed. This makes them an excellent choice for youth bedrooms where there is limited space. The top bunk can be folded down when not in use, creating a comfortable seating area for friends to hang out. IKANO FlexEl. FlexEl is an innovative product that allows you to easily move your electrical outlets wherever you need them. This is especially useful in areas where outlets are few and far between, or in situations where you want to rearrange your furniture and need to relocate an outlet. Thanks to FlexEl, you no longer have to deal with the hassle of hiring an electrician or rewiring your entire home just to move an outlet. With FlexEl, you can simply plug it into any existing outlet and have a new outlet wherever you need it. It's that easy. Nordic Design Sofa Bed. This sofa bed with a simple system that opens into a bed is a must-have for any modern home. Not only is it functional, but it also boasts a stunning Nordic design with wooden legs that make it a standout piece of furniture. The simple opening system makes it easy to transition from a sofa to a bed, and the high-quality materials ensure that it is a comfortable place to relax and sleep. Sofa Bed by Campeggi. The Campeggi sofa bed is a revolutionary piece of furniture that allows you to easily transform your living room into a guest bedroom, with just the push of a button. This sofa bed is operated by a remote control, making it incredibly convenient to use. One of the best features of the Campeggi sofa bed is its compact design. When not in use, it can be easily folded up and stored away, making it a great choice for small apartments or homes with limited space. Quadro Coffee Table. This versatile table is a must-have for any modern home. Initially, it serves as a stylish coffee table in your living room area. However, when you need a little extra workspace or a place to do tasks, you can simply raise the legs and use it as a functional desk. But that's not all. This table can also be transformed into a dining table or a larger workspace simply by turning and flipping the cover. This makes it an incredibly versatile piece of furniture that can be used in a variety of ways to suit your needs. The versatility of this table makes it a great choice for anyone looking to make better use of their space. Origami Computer Desk. The Origami computer desk is a revolutionary piece of furniture that is perfect for anyone looking to optimize their workspace. This desk opens and folds in less than 60 seconds, making it incredibly convenient to use. One of the best features of the Origami computer desk is its removable tabletop. This allows you to easily move the desk around, even if it is fully loaded with your computer and other office equipment. In addition to its convenience and ease of use, the Origami computer desk also has locking mechanisms to secure the desk surface in place. This ensures that your equipment stays safe and stable, even during daily use. Work Table by Modbit. This work table is a unique and innovative piece of furniture that is perfect for creating a study space in small apartments. The cabinet has 3 built-in drawers and a chair, and the study plank attached with hinges can be easily pulled up. The chair inside the cabinet can be easily slid out and put back in as needed. When you're finished working, you can simply store your laptop, files, notes, and stationary items in the drawers, fold the plank back, and slide the chair back into the cabinet. The cabinet can be easily moved around your apartment on lockable cast-door wheels and is stable when you're studying or working. The design of this masterpiece allows you to easily create a study space in a matter of seconds and then return it to its compact form. Loft Bed by Art Doors. Designers Ilya and Svetlana Komayakov have developed an innovative project for arranging an apartment in the Housing Problem Program. This project utilizes the high ceiling of the room to build a loft bed that can be accessed via a staircase. The loft bed is mounted on a carrier and is secured to the wall and concrete overlap at 3 points, allowing it to safely hold up to 500 kilograms. From the top of the loft bed, you can enjoy views of the green courtyard through the window, or you can retire behind the linen curtains for privacy.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.